Welcome back to the show, folks. We've got a question today that's probably crossed your mind if you're dipping your toes into digital products. Am I too late? The market looks totally saturated with everyone hawking planners, templates, and courses.
Oh man, that's exactly what's been nagging at me. Every time I scroll through Instagram or TikTok, it's like a sea of digital marketers pushing the same stuff. Is there even a sliver of space left for someone like me?
Totally get it. It's that classic newbie jitters. And yeah, the market is buzzing because it's proven. People love digital products for their convenience and scalability. But here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop thinking I'm late to the party and start seeing I'm early to my unique spin. You're not here to clone what's already out there. You're here to uncover the unmet needs that everyone else is overlooking.
A mindset shift. Okay, I'm intrigued. So instead of following the herd, I pivot and carve out my own lane.
Spot on. Most creators play it safe by mimicking the hits. They see a viral planner and think, I'll make one just like that. But the real opportunity, it's in the blind spots. Spot where the crowd isn't looking, and you become the go-to for a specific problem. Think about it. Markets don't saturate evenly. There's always pockets of underserved folks craving something tailored. The big question now, how do you actually hunt down those gaps without just winging it?
Yes, that's the part I'm stuck on. Give me some practical steps, no fluff.
All right, let's break it into two actionable moves. First, hunt for buyer signals to confirm demand's still hot. Second, run a sameness audit on the competition to spot where you can zig while they zag.
Buyer signals. Lay it out for me. What should I be scanning for?
It's all about proof that people are actively seeking solutions. Jump on Reddit threads or Facebook groups in your niche. Look for recent posts where folks are venting frustrations like, I need a planner that works for freelancers with irregular hours, or where's a template for beginners in eco-friendly living? Check Etsy or Gumroad listings. Are there glowing reviews from the past month? Use free tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to see if search interest is steady or spiking. And don't overlook forums like Quora or even Pinterest comments. People drop hints everywhere about what's missing. If you're seeing those signs, boom, demand's alive and kicking. You're not late, you're right on time for the underserved.
That clicks. If people are still complaining and buying, there's room. I love the tool suggestions. Makes it feel less overwhelming. Now, the sameness audit. How does that work?
Grab the top 5 to 10 products in your space. Think the best sellers on platforms like Teachable, ConvertKit shops, or your competitors' sites. Jot down their core promises. What problem do they solve? For whom? In what way? You'll often find they're all singing the same tune, like get organized with this ultimate planner. That's your opening. Differentiate by tweaking one element, the audience, the timing, the format, the outcome speed, the depth, or even the vibe. Pro tip, while you're auditing, note their pricing and visuals too to help you position yours as premium or accessible without copying.
Examples would help paint the picture. Hit me with a couple more to really see the variety.
Absolutely. Say everyone's selling generic fitness trackers. Pivot to a postpartum recovery journal for new moms juggling work and baby naps. Or those penless social media content calendars. Make yours bite-sized real ideas for solopreneurs who hate showing their face on camera. A budgeting spreadsheet. Turn it into a one-week cash flow fixer for gig economy artists during slow seasons. Here's another. Instead of broad email marketing templates, create welcome sequence blueprints for eco-conscious brands building trust with Gen Z subscribers. Same category, but hyper-targeted positioning that screams, this is for me. The key is blending your expertise or passions into it. Makes it authentic and harder to copy.
Love that. So I boil my idea down to a crisp pitch. Who it's for, what result they get, how fast, and in what form.
Nailed it. Craft it as a one-liner and say it out loud. For remote freelancers to reclaim their evenings in just 10 minutes a day with a drag-and-drop evening routine builder. If it rolls off the tongue and feels specific, it'll cut through the noise when you market it. Bonus, this pitch becomes your hook for social posts or landing pages. It's marketing gold from the start.
For overwhelmed teachers to grade essays 30% faster using AI prompt templates tailored for high school English. Like that?
Gold. Now, don't build the whole thing yet. That's where most folks burn out. Prototype tiny, a single-page cheat sheet, a 5-slide Canva deck, or a quick Loom video demo. Share it on LinkedIn. a niche subreddit, or your email list with one laser-focused call to action, like DM me if you'd want this expanded for middle school math, or reply yes for the free sample. And to add value here, track where you share it. Different platforms attract different crowds, so note what resonates where for future launches.
Smart. Keeps it low risk. I'm not aiming for viral fame, just some engagement. A few likes, comments, or requests to validate.
Precisely. Those micro wins are your green light. If it's crickets, no sweat. It doesn't mean the market's dead. It means tweak one variable and relaunch. Maybe switch the audience or the...
Or the format, yeah?
Exactly. Iterate smart, one change at a time, and track what sparks interest. That's positioning in action. Test, learn, refine. Common pitfall to avoid: don't overcomplicate your first test. Keep it simple so you can pivot fast without losing momentum.
This feels empowering. Recap: spot buyer signals with those tools, audit for sameness, including pricing notes, pick one differentiator, build a mini prototype, share strategically, and ask for feedback.
You've got it. Remember, in digital products, you're never truly late. The market evolves and fresh angles emerge daily. You're early to serving your people in a way that feels authentic and irreplaceable. Plus, as you build this habit, you'll start spotting gaps everywhere, turning it into a superpower for your business.
I'm fired up, heading to those trend tools right after this to start scouting. Thanks for the roadmap.